Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fake and Photos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up in Shein app. So let's get started. At first, make sure you download the app and let's click into the app first. And in the bottom right corner, we can see this new button. The case will be similar for phone as well. So let's tap on this. And on the top, we can see this option called sign in/register. So let's tap on this and here's a tab open. Now, you can simply continue with Google or Facebook as well, but we can continue with mobile number and email address as well. So let's go for email address for now and simply click on continue. Now enter the password and click on register. So now registration has been successfully done. So this is all we can do to sign up in Shein app. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.